Do you want to use Kik in your preferred language? In this video I will show you how to switch the language on Kik step by step so you can navigate the app and watch streams more comfortably. Changing the language helps improve your experience and makes it easier to explore streams, settings and features. So let's go to see how it works. First thing you have to do is to go to Kik app. And then here in this page, you'll find this window, so you'll tap on the sign up profile on above here. After that, in this list, you'll find a window called language, so you'll tap on language here. And then this page you can switch the app to your preferred language that you want. For example, let's choose French or Français here. And when you switch, you will find everything in French as you see here in that way, and you can go again if you want to switch it to English in that way. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.